Right? Why? I know next week you'll be online.
Yeah, because I'm kind of sleepover.
Sure.
My first ever sleepover.
Your first ever sleepover. Does it exam time to sleepover? Wait, why is it so warm?
Because it's so. I am going to fail my Chinese oral.
Why? What did you do? Speak
It
English.
was horrible.
Did you speak English or Spanish? Huh? Then you should be able to pass. Hi, Jabel. You need a pen? Now you can take this. This what you want.
I was like, why is my bag so light? It's like, shit.
Exam paper you have? The exam paper?
I think so.
Hello, Jabel. How are you? Can Jabel hear me? Testing. Testing. Anybody there? Well, everyone is taking a while to come. Okay, good. Thanks. Hmm?
Fail my Chinese oral because
Why?
the topic was 节约用水.
What?
But
Jie
I
what?
revised for every topic except for 节约用水.
What's 节约用水?
Like save water.
节约用水?
Yeah, save conserve water.
I don't understand.
So I studied for most of the topics, including the extremely difficult ones. And I didn't study for water because it's been tested so many times.
You mean you don't
I
know?
didn't think that they test it again
You know
for
water?
PSLE. So they freaking tested it. The passage was fine. I had no trouble with it. But
节约用水.
the paper was just horrible. Like,
Oh no,
I
no, no,
did
no,
not-
no, 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 no.
I did not understand the questions at all.
Really? Okay, how about you, Javel? Anyway, it's over, right? We don't have to talk about it.
My
Unless
English oral was amazing though.
you want to talk about it. If not, we don't have to talk about it.
I
Okay.
had a traumatizing year last time.
Wait, well, how come? Where's everyone? Oh, here comes Kenny.
They disappeared.
Yeah, everybody missing. Oh, yo, okay.
What is this?
Pencil case, take your pen. Okay, so I know your. Yeah, I must ask Kenny because Kenny was scared. Kenny was scared. Some pen doesn't work. Okay, so just choose those that works for you. Okay, Kenny, what was your oral experience? Okay, it's an experience, right? Good or bad, I don't know.
The last one I'm happy.
But it's just an experience, right? To me, whether you do well or not, I don't know, right? But I'm sure you went through it with some heart rate increase, high blood pressure kind of.
The worst
thing.
part is we're not even gonna know what
Right.
our marks are. We're just gonna know the
Yeah, you won't know. Yay! See, Kenny was okay. Kenny was worried. He said he's
For
Chinese.
which?
Chinese. Did you have the same water thing as well, Kenny?
I did Chinese on day 2. Day 1 was like all impressive or something.
Okay. The English is so boring.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Wait,
What?
which English picture did you have?
Yeah, I don't know. Which one did you get? For me, like after the first tier, I needed to add more stuff, but then I panicked. Then I go point to my left. Add what stuff?
Ah.
Add what stuff?
Oh yeah, that was my English one as well.
Oh, yours.
They asked me
sleeping
like
with other.
5 questions.
Oh, you left something behind. After the what is first tier? Oh, as in you add more things to your answer. Don't understand. Okay. You're sleeping, wake up late. What? So what?
I think it was- They asked me 5 questions.
Huh?
How are you similar to the girl in the picture?
Uh-huh.
If you could control when school started and end, what time would you make it
Wow.
start?
Okay.
Have you ever been late to something?
Uh-huh. 5 questions
What do you do before bed?
in English.
Yeah.
What do you do before bed? I try to sleep. I toss and turn around. Think
So
about
it's-
tomorrow.
How are you similar to the girl? Have you ever been late? School climbing.
3 questions.
You asked me 5.
5. Kenny, you can just stare at the ceiling. That's all.
Wait, have you
Hey, how? Welcome, Eto. Here she comes. Welcome, Eto. We're just discussing about the oral. If you don't want to discuss, it's fine. If you want to discuss, I'm okay. I'm also curious.
Very easy.
Really? Wow.
Yeah, I got both session 1 very easy.
Really? Okay, that's good. Good to know. All right. So anyway, oral is I don't know. I never worry too much about oral, right? Because you don't really know how you do. Do you know? You won't know, right? You can only guess.
Oh no, I'm not.
Yeah, so you can only guess. You can like, I think I'm fine. I guess I'm what. So it's all guessing. So if you're guessing, then it doesn't matter actually. To me, right? Doesn't matter. So yeah. So don't care, right? So just look forward to the next thing. But anyway, it's one thing down. So that's absolutely one step closer to the holiday at the end of primary school life for you guys.
I want to be done with this.
Yeah, it's finishing very soon, right? We are already on the what date? Today is already the 14th of August, no? Halfway. What worksheet is this? This is an exam paper. I don't know if I sent to you, but this is an exam paper from let me see the school name.
I have this TikTok on your side.
Catholic High. Huh? Kiki talk. Catholic High. Jeff Bezos. Why is it? Why are you singing about Jeff Bezos?
I don't know.
That's the only thing I recognize.
I have a Tao
Tao Nan? No. Catholic High.
My own.
We are doing the Catholic High one, right?
Yeah, I have a TikTok one too.
Can you read this? What did it say?
No, that's traditional Chinese.
Reverend-
That's a good method.
What? Qing something? Song Chen? Hong? What? Never mind lah. Right, doesn't matter. So we can solve this anyway. Alright, so what we're going to do is we will continue. We already did until paper 2. I remember we had fun doing this. It wasn't that bad. And then we ended up talking about the English oral here. Can I remove this? Yeah, great. Okay, so we're just going to continue from here. Okay, so how much are we going to do? Do you have the paper? First thing, those online. Gabriela has it here. For those online, do you have the thing?
You know,
Okay, Jobel
It's very
has.
sad.
Eto? Well,
no one pronounces my name correctly.
Gabriela. Gabriela. I need the PDF to print. The PDF is sent. Is in the Google Drive. What? Okay, now if you don't have, never mind, we're not going to waste time, right? If you have the paper, just keep doing, okay? If you don't have the paper, like I thought you don't have, right? Just look at the question on the screen right now. Okay, we are doing the thing right now. Okay, please do this. If you have the paper, you can move ahead in your own time. If you don't have the paper, just look at the screen. That's it. Yeah. So for recycling project, Edmund collected 20 bottles and Fred collected 7K plus 8, they collected 154. So what you do is you take 154, take away 20 first, because that's what Edmund collected. So you get 134. And this 134 represents 7K plus 8 bottles. So we want to remove that 8 as well. So we can compare. 126 is 7K. So what's the value of K? 18. Therefore, K equals to 18. All right. Very good, Eto. The Eto getting smarter every day.
What about me?
Yeah, you already know how to do. Next. Stuck.
What about Jabel?
Everyone is smart, okay? And everyone is getting smarter. I'm not getting smarter. Because I'm stuck at P6.
Go back to school then.
No, I'm stuck at P6. Yeah, I'm still doing P6 stuff.
Go back to school.
I should be doing like, university or professor
Really?
kind of thing. I'm stuck here. Next. All right, people. we have a difficult question. So the rectangle is made of 4 triangles. The area of A to rectangle is 1 to 5. The area of D to rectangle is 1 to 7. So the 7 and the 5 are both referring to the rectangle. So what I want to do is to find a common multiple, which happens to be 35. So this is 5 is to 35. And then this guy is 7 is to 35. Right, so I'm going to assign A as 7 units and D for donkey is 5 units. Okay, makes sense because I have changed all the denominator to 35. Okay, 35, 35. So the area of B is 140. So this guy is not.
my God.
Oh, yo. What happened? What happened? Now this is 140.
Idiot. So dumb.
Chill. Okay, this is 140. Now, do you realize something amazing or interesting about this triangle? This triangle. What's so special about this triangle? Yeah, it's half. B is half of the rectangle. Now, if the rectangle is 35, we divided by 2 is 17.5. Okay, so this guy B is 17.5 units. So C will be, you can find C at 12, 17.5 divided by 2. Yep, minus 7 minus 5. So C is 5.5 units. So this 170.5 is equivalent to 140. Correct? I'm going to use toilet. Yeah, go ahead. You have permission to use toilet at your house. Next. So 7.5 is 140 cm square. Yeah. So we want to find 1 unit. What's 1 unit? 140 divided by 7.5. 8. 1 is 8. So 5.5 units, which is C. 44. Wow, you're correct, Bell. 44.
I'm so dumb.
Why?
I got the answer.
You got the answer? That's good. Let's read. So eggs were sold in trays of 30. We understand that. Mr. Lee bought some such trays and repacked them into carton of 12. He needed 6 more to have exact carton of 12.
I
What?
don't understand.
He needed 6 more eggs to have exact carton boxes of 12 and 26 more carton. You see, that's the problem here. It's the English. He needed 6 more eggs to have exact carton. That means it's a multiple of 12. Okay, what this means is multiple of 12. And 26 more carton boxes than trays. 26 more carton boxes. What is carton box? This is a carton box, right? No. This is a carton box. 26 more carton box than tray. What? So multiple of 12 minus 6. That's what this sentence means. And 26 more carton boxes than 12. Okay, so this is a carton box. This is a tray. So the ratio is 1 carton versus tray. 26 more, so it's 1 is to, sorry, no, it can't be. The difference, 37. 26 more carton box than tray, sorry, it's the other way around. 7, 1. 26 more carton box. Okay, so if let's just take a look at one group, okay? So if there are 27 carton boxes and there's 1 tray, how many eggs are there? This is 30 eggs. It's right? This is the container. So 1 will be 30, and then after that, 27, because one carton has got 12, so 27 times 12, 324. So in one group, there will be, no, sorry, this is not one group, so I can increase by 1. Wait a minute, I'm also processing this. 3, 2, 4, 30. If there's only one tray and then there's 27, it's 3, 2, 4, and 30. You need a 6 more eggs. Yeah, he needed. He doesn't have. So this is just one group. Z carton boxes of 12. So okay. So when Mr. Lee bought them, right? They were multiples of 30. These are in multiples of 30. Then Mr. Lee bought some 12. No, this is really confusing. Wait, multiples of 30. Multiple of 12 minus 6. So I'm going to do it the hard way, okay? That means I'm going to try and see if he has different numbers of trays. "26 more carton box." What? 26 more carton box. Here 6 more is a carton boxes of 12 eggs and 26 more. Wait, so he bought in trays, but he repacked everything into carton boxes. Okay, I'm gonna do this offline. Okay, you do the next one. This 4 marks. What in the world? I'm gonna do this offline, right? I thought spend too much time. Okay, look at the next one. Okay, let's continue. So what I did was I used guess and check. Why? Because I think it's just faster, right? So we have this situation where this guy bought in trays. He's trying to convert to cartons. So for example, let me just give you an example tray. If he bought one tray, he will have 30 eggs and he wants to convert it to cartons with no leftover. Over here says that he will need 6 more. So if he needs 6 more, this is not enough. So this would be 36. Come on, 36. So if you have 36 eggs, right, this will be 3 cartons. And this is 1 tray. But if you look at the difference, right, this is 1 tray, this is 3 cartons, it's only 2. So we don't want 2 because the second criteria is there must be 26 more cartons than tray. That means the cartons here must be, the difference must be 26. Right, so here is just 2. So obviously you need to increase the number by a lot more. Right, so I did 3, 4, 5, and then finally I ended up with 17 trays. So if he bought 17 trays, right, altogether there will be 510 eggs because he's trying to feed the village, right? So 516 plus 6, 510 plus 6 is 516. So 516 we divided by 12. There are 43 cartons. Okay, so if you have 43 cartons and then you have 17 trays, if you take 43 minus 17, we get exactly 26. You see that? So that is what they want, 26 more cartons than trays. Hence, through guess and check, how many eggs did Mr. Lee buy? He bought 510 using guess and check. The answer is 510. Okay, it took a while. I had to do my working here, right? See that? Guess and check, because it can be pretty long, but it's about 5 minutes too. Okay, next one. Okay, this is guess and check, so I don't have any method for that. Let's try guess and check.